Adam here from Vintique Motors. Going to do a cold start here for you on this 99 Harley-Davidson Road King Police Edition. If you haven't already, I also did a quick 4 or 5 minute walk around video showing the in-depth condition of the bike. So if you can, go check that out as well. And we'll fire up this Road King for you. We're going to sell it at no reserve, on bring a trailer. Show you the pipes are nice and cool. On the police edition, you got to pull the clutch. Fires right up, sounds great. 88 cubic inch, fuel injected. Mentioned in the other video, I took her for a ride this morning. Such a fun bike. It's got that air ride seat on it. Looks great coming down the road too with the police lights. Sounds awesome. We're selling it at no reserve, so bid heavy, bid often. It's a great bike, and keep in mind, we can assist with shipping. I ship bikes all over the country, so don't let that hold you back from bidding. Thanks and good luck.